What if AI didn't just take jobs, but made everyone richer? Elon Musk called this idea universal high income for everyone. Musk believes advanced AI and robots could eventually do almost every job better and cheaper than humans. They could build homes, grow food, manufacture products, and provide services. If production becomes almost unlimited, he argues there may be no shortage of essential goods and traditional jobs could become optional. But there is one major problem. Today, most people receive money through work. If AI replaces millions of jobs, people may lose their salaries, even while companies produce more wealth than ever. High income for everyone would give people purchasing power so they could still buy what the automated economy produces. But first, AI and robots must create real abundance. Second, society would need to share part of that new wealth. Governments could collect taxes from highly automated companies, create public invest funds, and give citizens a dividend from AI-generated profits. Third, AI ownership cannot be controlled by only a few corporations. Competition, broader investment ownership, and clear rules would help more people benefit. And during the transition, workers will need training, income protection, and access to AI tools. Musk's vision is possible, but it will not happen automatically. AI can create the wealth, but people and governments must decide how that wealth is shared. Thank you for watching.